In this video, I'll show you how you can fix GeForce Experience or the new version called NVIDIA App. Record option is not working. The first thing we want to try is search for services down here. And in here, you want to press anywhere and press N and look for the NVIDIA ones. Now you should have 3 in here. And what you want to do is you want to double click, make sure it's on automatic and running. If it says stopped, just press start and make sure all of them are on that. So automatic, start this one. Just make sure all of them are started and on automatic. And once you've done that, what you want to do is right click, restart, and just do that for all of these 3. Now once you've done that, you can close this one down. And then what we want to do is open up our GeForce Experience or the NVIDIA app, depends on which one you use. And then you want to head over to drivers and make sure you take the latest driver. You can check for updates here, and then download the latest driver. Once you've done that, you want to go to the settings. And on the experience, I believe settings is up here. On the new app, it's over here. And then what you want to do is just turn overlay on and off, and then it should hopefully work. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If for some reason it still didn't work, the last thing I suggest you do is you just uninstall the GeForce Experience and then try and reinstall it. Now, if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.